So guys and girls, Sir Rodel checking my engine. As you can see on the ano nga ulit kuya tawag sa ganito? Dashboard ba yan? There's an exclamatory point this past few days, but now there's no longer showing on the screen on the dashboard. And there's already a letter P. There's already a sign. Just putting it back. And he also makes some scanning and checking on this laptop what's the problem. Tsaka Sir Rodel, nung pag nag-ano ako dyan, nagre-reverse ako, hindi na nakikita yung ano ko, yung ano ba tawag doon? Yung pag para makita mo yung likod mo, yung camera.
Rear cam.
Ano tawag doon?
Sa rear cam.
O rear cam.
Hindi na nagpa-flash sa ano.
Oo.
Wala tayo pag-testing ng camera, pero madalas camera may problema.
Ah, so may problem.